Good morning, students. Today we will study the internal structure of root in cycas. Root, normal root, internal tissue of the roots are differentiated into epiblema, cortex, and central vascular tissues. Epiblema is composed of a single layer of thin wall cell. Some cell of epiblema give rise to hair. Cortex is a multi-layered zone of thin wall parenchymatous cell which are filled with starch. Some tannin cells and mucilage cells are also present in this region. The innermost layer of the cortex form endodermis. The endodermal cells are characterized by the presence of Casparian band. Pericycle is multi-layered and consists of parenchymatous cell. Vascular tissue form a central diarch stele. The xylem is exarch and tracheae of the protoxylem have spiral thickening and those of metaxylem have a scleriform thickening. The pith is reduced or completely absent. The mature normal root shows secondary growth which starts by the formation of cambium strip inner to the primary phloem stand. These cambial strip cut off secondary phloem toward the outside and secondary xylem towards inside. Due to pressure of secondary tissue, the primary phloem is crushed, but the primary xylem can be seen in the center of the stele. A distinct layer of phalangean or cork cambium arises in the outer region of the cortex, which give rise to the cork on its outer side and phalloid or secondary cortex on the inner side. Cork, phalangean, and phalloderm are collectively known as periderm. Due to the development of periderm, epiblema is ruptured. Coralloid root. The internal structure of coralloid root is similar to the normal root, but in coralloid root, cortex is differentiated into three regions. Outer cortex composed of compactly polygonal cells, inner cortex of thin wall parenchymatous cell, and the middle cortex forms algal zone. The algal zone consists of single layer of loosely connected thin wall radially elongated cell. In the algal zone, blue-green algae such as Anabaena, Cycadae, Nostoc, Punctiformis, and Oscillatoria species occur which live symbiotically. Besides some fungi and bacteria, examples like Pseudomonas and Azotobacter are also found in this zone. Development of algal zone in the coralloid root takes place after the entrance of endophytic algae. The presence of algal zone is a characteristic feature of the coralloid root. Coralloid root shows little or no secondary growth. Thank you. Good morning, students. Today we will study the sporophyte of cycas. External